do science!
I am Duddley.
Hi, I am Bonnie.
And today we are going to do science
That will make us shine!
Hey everyone, I'm Duddley.
Hey everyone, I'm Bunny.
And today we are going to do an experiment called oil lava lamp. Are you excited for this? Let me tell you the ingredient now. We have vinegar in 2 bowls, baking soda, food color and edible vegetable oil. Now let's get started with the experiment. But wait, this is not just another video of oil lava lamp. Today we are going to tell you the science behind it. Now let's pour the baking soda. Bunny, follow me.
Okay.
Now, time came for the vegetable oil. Let's pour it carefully, Bunny. Okay? I'm enjoying this a lot. Are you excited, my dear friends, for this experiment?
I'm excited. Yay!
Now, time for Bunny. Pour it carefully, Bunny. It might get spilled. Let me help you. Now, let's mix this food color in the vinegar. We'll have to put few drops in it.
Me too.
Now, let's mix this food color. Now, time for the real magic. But it isn't magic. It is a science. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, wow! The bubbles are going upwards and they are getting burst.
I am excited for this.
Wow! Let me tell you 2 science secrets of this experiment. Bunny, do you know the oil and vinegar are enemies? They don't want to be friends at all. The oil is lighter and the vinegar is heavier. They hate each other. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it, Bunny?
Yes.
The vinegar and the soda contacts with each other and they form a bubble that is filled with CO2. And when the bubble goes up, the gas ejects from it because it bursts. And do you know that the carbon dioxide, the gas, is the lightest gas? And then when it bursts, the vinegar goes down again, it sinks, and this process continues. And the carbon dioxide is lighter than the oil. Mind-blowing fact. You are a science star. Keep exploring. Keep asking why.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel.
Stay tuned for our next experiment.